Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby and I'm a business coach who helps people build their brand awareness online and get noticed. But today what we're going to discuss is why is it so important for us to reprogram our brains. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. for when I post. So let's go. The first reason I will say why it is so important for us to reprogram our brains is because we will have a whole new mindset. And in order for you to even grow your business, your mindset needs to be there. People tend to not realize how important your mindset truly is. Your mindset is everything, and your mindset will get you where you want to be. If your mindset is down and you feel like you can't do anything, that's gonna be the reflection of your life, and that's fact. And this is why you need to make sure that your mindset is right. This is why it's good to speak positivity in your life. This is why it's important to have that environment around you that is positive, so then this affects you on your daily basis, that you're feeling better about life, because life is about feeling good. Life is not about you feeling down all the time and thinking that you can't do, what you want to do. And you think about, oh my gosh, why are they a millionaire? Like, guys, you could become a millionaire, a billionaire, a trillionaire. But believe it. Honestly, your mind is so powerful. And this is why I say believe in yourself. And I promise you, you will see results. And understand you have to invest in yourself. And at the same time, you have to understand that, listen, you could do anything you put your mind to. Yeah? So don't have this mindset where, you feel like you can't do it. And why are they a millionaire and I'm not? Stop feeling sorry for yourself. Reprogram that brain. And I'm telling you, you'll be happy. All right? Cool. The next thing is your desires will be so much stronger than ever before. Guys, if I could tell you what my desires are right now, it's so big that I can't even explain it. But I know my mind is telling me how big my desires are. Look, whatever you feel, what you want, it will reflect in what you do. See it as this. Let's say that you want to become the next Whitney Houston with your beautiful voice, you can sing. But you're not actually showing people that you can sing, but you're just keeping quiet about it because you're scared of what people will say. How are we meant to know your beautiful voice if we're not even showing it to the world? How are we meant to know who you are? Listen, people are going to like you and people are not going to like you. That is life at the end of the day. Do not let that hold you back. Do not let trolls stop you from doing what you want to do. Because you could do anything you put your mind to, but you need to believe it. Okay? So let your desires be strong. And that will reflect in your actions and what you're doing. And your life will feel so much more fulfilling than it already feels because you're doing the right thing. The next thing is you will be more persistent. Being persistent is so important. Consistency is so important. You're going to have to keep on going and keep on going and keep on going. Even when you see them obstacles, swerve it. Move away from it. Don't let that stop you and feel like, oh my gosh, it's an obstacle. Who cares? Run away and move from it and then go back onto that right straight line. You could do anything, once again, you put your mind to. You need to be more persistent, and this is why it's so important to reprogram your brain. Because if your brain is in the old brain that you have, where you feel like, oh my gosh, you feel sorry for yourself, and you want a better life, but you're not even trying to achieve it, then, what are you trying to do with life? This is why you need to reprogram your brain. You need to build the positive habits, and with building positive habits, life will be so much better. The next thing, you will see life in a whole nother point of view. And when I say that, I say it with truth. When I reprogram my brain personally, I see the world in such a whole nother world. And I know the type of mindset that you have, or that you had before. Because my mind was there when I was in university. I didn't know what I was going to do in my life. I did drama, but because of the people that I was working with, they didn't really want to work with me because I was black at the time. you know, I felt a bit of and so I was just thinking to myself, well, like, what do I want to be? It just put me off a bit of drama. But what I'm saying is, my mind was like, oh, you know, having a £10 job an hour is brilliant. What? What is that? Are you kidding me? Guys, we are worth so much more, and it even angers me that my mindset was even like that before, where I thought, oh yeah, 10 hours is good. No, it is not good. We're worth so much more. Look at yourself in the mirror. Look at your beautiful self. Come on, you're worth so much more. Why are you happy about £10 an hour when you could be getting $1,000 an hour, or pounds an hour, or euros an hour, whatever country you're based? Don't let your country limit you as well, by the way. But yeah, guys, we can do so much, so much. But you have to believe it. And you have to have that in your heart, that I could do anything I put my mind to. I will not let nobody tell me different. I'm worth so much more. The next thing, you will be able to handle your objections so much more. Handling your objections, yeah. Listen, before, when I used to speak to people on the phone and they'll be like, you know, it's so expensive. I'm telling you guys, look, you can say to someone £3,000 and they'll be like, let's go, because their mindset's there. They know what they're investing in. And then you can say to someone £15, oh, £15? Oh my gosh, come on, are you kidding me? But it's because of their mindset. And that is facts, guys. It's crazy. Why is it that a number has to be bigger and you'll be happy to do it, but then when it's smaller you think, come on. If you're that person, by the way, where you're thinking £15 is fix up. Honestly, you need to fix up. How do you even expect to grow in life if you're not even willing to invest in yourself? Come on, it has to be blatantly there. It's facts. How do you believe you could become successful in life, but you're not willing to learn? If you feel like you need the help, you're not willing to pay £15 or £1,000 or 3,000, 10,000, whatever it is. You need to know who you are. And if you believe in what you do, you can do, but you need the help, get that help and believe that you could do it and then achieve it. Okay, guys? And finally, what I would love to say is, guys, you will see that there are so much opportunities in front of you, but you need to look. You need to look and see that, wow, there are so much opportunities in front of everybody. It's right in front of your face. It's even right under your nose. But then, you know, you just turn a blind eye to it. Oh, no, not for me. Come on, guys, come on. If you're not that person where you actually want to succeed in life and know that I'm better than £10 an hour, £20 an hour, or whatever the hour it is, come on. Come on. We are made to do big things. Big things. But you just need to believe in yourself and know that I can do it. Rather than just thinking, oh yeah, I'll settle for this. Come on, don't settle for that. You got bigger dreams. Fight for it. Do it. Work towards it rather than feeling sorry for yourself. You can do anything you put your mind to. And I will always say that to everybody. Anybody that I speak to, my clients, anybody. And you need to take accountability for your actions. Guys, that's it for today. I went a bit ham, but I loved it. Guys, first I want to say thank you so much for watching. And guys, below, I actually have a mini course for only £28, and it's monetize your Instagram in less than 30 days. So if you're a beginner and you're trying to, monetize your account, guys, click this link below and go and get it. Only for £28, short mini course. And what I also have is hashtags. How to scale your hashtags. So if you want to grow on Instagram and you want to, learn how to scale your hashtags and do what you want to do, guys, come on, click that link below and buy it now. Only for £35. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today, and comment down below. Tell me, what did you like and what do you want to learn even more? All right, see you guys. See you later and have a lovely day. Bye.